Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are here with a very quick tutorial on how to make easy goat meat pepper soup. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you will get notified, and let's get right on into the video. For this video we are going to be using 6 ingredients only. We have onions, pepper, salt, nor or maggi, African nutmeg known as efuru or ehuru, potassium leaf, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.